Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten You. Today, we'll explore the mechanics and impacts of generative adversarial networks in AI, dissect the success behind the Freemium model for internet startups, and delve into the role of innovation sprints in agile product development. Join us as we navigate these diverse yet interconnected topics, tailored just for you. What makes generative adversarial networks, or GNs, a breakthrough in the field of AI? Today, we dive into the realms of GNs, exploring their structure, functionality, and the impressive capability they have to generate realistic data across various domains, especially in image processing. GNs mark a significant advancement in how machines understand and recreate the complexities of the world around us. At the heart of GNs, we find a fascinating approach to machine learning known as generative modeling. This unsupervised learning task focuses on discovering and learning patterns within input data to a degree that allows the model to generate new examples that could believably belong to the original dataset. Imagine a machine that, after studying thousands of images of cats, can generate a new image of a cat that looks real but has never existed before. That's generative modeling in action. The genius of GNs lies in their unique architecture, which consists of two competing models, the generator and the discriminator. The generator's objective is to create data so convincing that the discriminator cannot tell whether it's real or fake. On the other side, the discriminator learns to distinguish between genuine data and the fabrications created by the generator. This adversarial process, a kind of zero-sum game, continues until the discriminator is fooled about half the time, indicating that the generator's output is indistinguishable from real data. This method of training allows GNs to produce extraordinarily realistic outputs, making significant strides in tasks like image-to-image translation. Think turning a summer landscape into a winter wonderland or altering day scenes to night. The potential applications are vast, from enhancing photorealism to generating new designs, artwork, and even realistic-looking human faces that never belong to an actual person. The inception of GNs can be traced back to a 2014 paper by Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues. Since then, the field has seen rapid advancements, including the development of deep convolutional generative adversarial networks, or DCGANs, which provided a more stable model for training GNs and opened new doors for their application. Delving deeper into the mechanics, the generator model of a GN begins with a random vector from a Gaussian distribution, which serves as a seed for generating samples within the domain. This vector is part of what's known as the latent space, a kind of compressed representation of the data distribution. Over time, as the GN trains, the generator learns to map points from this latent space to generate new, diverse, and plausible examples. On the flip side, the discriminator model, which starts off as a standard classification model, is tasked with distinguishing between real and generated data. Throughout the training process, it refines its ability to identify fakes, while the generator continuously improves its capacity to produce more convincing fakes. What's particularly intriguing about GNs is the way they are trained. The process resembles a two-player game where both the generator and discriminator are in a constant tug of war, each trying to outsmart the other. This adversarial training method is not only innovative, but also remarkably effective in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with generative models. While the excitement around GNs is well-deserved, it's also crucial to approach their development and use with a sense of responsibility. The ability to generate realistic images, videos, or audio can have far-reaching implications, including the creation of deepfakes that could mislead or cause harm. As we continue to explore the potential of GNs, ethical considerations and safeguards should be at the forefront of this technological advancement. In conclusion, generative adversarial networks represent a significant leap forward in the field of AI, offering a powerful tool for generating realistic examples across a wide range of domains. As we stand on the brink of what seems like a new era of generative modeling, it's exciting to imagine the innovations and applications that GNs will bring to the table. From transforming the way we create and interact with digital content to advancing scientific research, the journey of JANS is only just beginning. And now, pivot our discussion towards learn entrepreneurship. How does the freemium model, a blend of free and premium services, become a cornerstone strategy for internet startups and smartphone app developers? And what are the essential questions these companies must address to ensure its effectiveness and sustainability? In this podcast, we explore the intricacies of making freemium work, drawing from real-world examples and providing insights into the strategic considerations behind this popular business model. The freemium model has reshaped the landscape of digital services, allowing users to enjoy basic features at no cost while offering richer functionality for a subscription fee. This approach has been widely adopted by a variety of companies, from LinkedIn and Dropbox to Hulu and Match.com, proving its versatility across both B2C and B2B domains. The appeal of freemium lies in its ability to serve as a potent marketing tool, enabling new ventures to scale up and attract a user base without heavy investments in advertising or a traditional sales force. However, despite its widespread popularity, the freemium model is often misunderstood and fraught with challenges. Many startups have stumbled in their attempts to leverage freemium effectively, underscoring the need for a deeper understanding and careful strategic planning. Through extensive research, including a case study on the New York Times' paywall strategy and an analysis of user data from a storage and synchronization company, 6 critical questions have emerged for startups contemplating a freemium model. First, determining what should be free is a delicate balancing act. The goal is to attract new users with compelling free offerings while ensuring that the premium features are enticing enough to justify a subscription fee. For instance, the New York Times initially offered 20 free articles per month before realizing that reducing this number to 10 would foster a better balance between free access and subscription incentives. Startups must be prepared to fine-tune their offerings to strike the optimal balance. Second, the clarity of the premium offer is crucial. Dropbox's straightforward proposition, free cloud-based storage with the option to pay for additional space, contrasts sharply with LinkedIn's more nuanced premium subscriptions. The clearer the benefits of upgrading, the higher the likelihood of conversion from free to paid users. The target conversion rate is another vital consideration. While a 1% conversion rate might be too low, aiming for a moderate rate, generally between 2% to 5% coupled with high traffic volume, tends to be a more sustainable strategy. This underscores the importance of not only attracting users, but also converting a meaningful proportion into paying customers. Understanding the conversion life cycle is also essential. Initial conversion rates may be higher among early adopters, but can decline as the user base expands. Freemium companies need to anticipate this dynamic and plan for the evolving cost of servicing a growing number of free users. Encouraging users to become evangelists for the product amplifies the value of the freemium model. Satisfied users can draw in new members, some of whom will become subscribers. Effective management of referral incentives and communication can significantly enhance the impact of word-of-mouth marketing. Lastly, a commitment to ongoing innovation is vital. Companies like Dropbox have continually added new features and improved their offerings, increasing the value of their premium services and keeping users engaged. Viewing freemium not just as a customer acquisition tool, but as a commitment to innovation, ensures that the model remains dynamic and responsive to users' evolving needs. Now, moving from the strategic adoption of freemium models by startups, let's explore how innovation sprints within Agile product development can revolutionize the way organizations approach creativity and customer-focused innovation. Why are innovation sprints in Agile product development so crucial? That's the question we're exploring today. In a realm where software development's pace and demands are ever increasing, the Agile methodology stands as a beacon of adaptability and efficiency. Yet within this framework, there's a practice that has the potential to supercharge the creative and innovative capabilities of teams: innovation sprints. Let's delve into this transformative approach, examine its benefits, and understand how it can be strategically executed to foster groundbreaking innovation and elevate Agile methodologies to new heights. Imagine a world where every project is a quest for excellence, where the path to perfection in product delivery and team efficiency is unending. This is the dynamic landscape of Agile. Traditional Agile principles have laid a strong foundation with their focus on adaptability and incremental progress. But there's a catch. The relentless pursuit of sprint goals can sometimes stifle creative thinking and dim the spark of innovation. This is where innovation sprints come into play, pushing Agile methodologies beyond their conventional boundaries and igniting a flame of creativity and customer-centric innovation. Innovation sprints have a transformative impact on the Agile landscape. They cultivate a culture of groundbreaking innovation, where thinking outside the box is not just encouraged but required. Take Google's 20% time philosophy, for example, which gave birth to revolutionary products like Gmail. This philosophy embodies the spirit of dedicating time to innovation, proving that when teams are given the freedom to explore, they can create wonders. Moreover, innovation sprints dive deep into customer-centric innovation, uncovering latent needs and pain points. This approach echoes Apple's strategy of anticipating user requirements before they become apparent, ensuring products remain relevant and ahead of the curve. Additionally, these sprints can rejuvenate team spirit and morale, offering a refreshing break from routine, much like Pixar's creative brainstorming sessions that keep the passion for innovation alive. The collaboration fostered during innovation sprints is another key benefit. By bringing together individuals from various disciplines, these sprints encourage a melding of perspectives, similar to the interdisciplinary collaboration at SpaceX. This synergy fuels innovative advancements and ensures that ideas are both diverse and dynamic. To fully realize the potential of innovation sprints, strategic execution is paramount. Allocating dedicated time each quarter for teams to focus solely on innovation, setting explicit and ambitious goals, assembling diverse teams, encouraging rapid prototyping and experimentation, and enhancing documentation and critical review are all essential steps. This comprehensive approach ensures that the innovative efforts are directed, efficient, and impactful. In essence, innovation sprints represent a paradigm shift within the Agile framework, injecting projects with a spirit of relentless innovation and ensuring that customer needs remain at the heart of development efforts. Organizations that embrace these sprints position themselves as leaders in Agile excellence, fostering a culture of continuous innovation and driving customer-centric growth. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.